All right, so I went on to YouTube, and all the videos I saw for a reduced row echelon were all 3x3s, and I wanted to do a couple of 2x2s. So anyway, so I'm going to make a video. So look at here, we have a system, all right? And you probably would say, well, wouldn't it be easy to do it by elimination or even substitution, okay? But our goal this time is to do it by reduced row echelon form. So remember, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write it as an augmented matrix. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 9, -2, 3, and 10. Okay, now remember, my goal is that I want the coefficient part. Right, I want 1, 0, 0, 1. Remember, that's called the identity matrix, okay? That's what I want. And look at here, my very first guy is a 1, so I met my first goal. Okay, oops, I have to put the brackets here, silly shorts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take R1 and I'm going to multiply it by 2 because I want the -2 to go to 0. All right, so I have this as a 1, so now I need to make sure that the guy underneath it is a 0. So I'm going to take R1 and I'm going to multiply it by 2. And I'm going to add it to row 2, right? Okay, so I still keep the 1, 2, and 9. And then above this, I'm going to multiply it by 2. So I get 2, 4, and 18. Okay, so 2 plus -2 gives me 0. 4 plus 3 gives me 7. 18 plus 10 gives me 28. All right, this is what I hate about this. I have to go now to the next guy. So please, I can't scroll. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so here we are again, and so I have a 1 and a 0, right? And so now I need the y of the second guy to be 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the whole bottom row by 1/7. So I still keep 1, 2, and 9. Then I get 0, 1, and 4. And that's because I multiply row 2 by 1/7. Okay, so now I know what y is. And then now I want this guy to be 0. So I'm going to take row 2 and I'm going to multiply it by -2 and I'm going to add it to row 1. So I'm going to take row 2, multiply it by, so I'm going to, very small here, 0, -2, -8. Okay? So I still keep 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay, so 0 plus 1 gives me 1. -2 plus 2 gives me 0. -8 plus 9 gives me 1. All right, so I met my goal. I have my identity matrix, and my answer is going to be, remember, it's in the form XY. It's going to be 1, 4, right? 1, 4.